Welcome to how to use Apple Notes for sketching and drawing. So in this video we are going to show you how to use Apple Notes for sketching and drawing. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do, you will go into this option where it says Notes, and by default it's present in every iPhone. So tap on Notes here, and once you are done with the notes, what you're gonna do, you will tap on this option here, new note, and then if you want to make a drawing or if you want to make a sketch, you will tap on this pencil icon here, and then from here you can select the brush. So I will select this one, and then you will select its size, and then what you're gonna do, just basically use your fingers and start drawing like this one. Okay, see, we can just simply use our fingers, and we can basically use our fingers to draw the drawings and make sketches. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.